Spacious, light and bright home with newer laminated floors, open floor plan. This 2-bedroom 2-bath home has a large living room, large lanai, split bedrooms, large covered carport. Beautiful gated 55+ community offering tennis, bocce, shuffleboard, pool, pier, and lots of activities. Windjammer Village is off Radio Road close to shopping, medical facilities, downtown Naples, fabulous restaurants. Pet-friendly community. Room for parking your RV in back. You thought Naples wasn't affordable? Think again.